Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everybody. Of course, you know, today is December 7th, and we want to remember the USS Arizona. You are looking at from one of the memorials that overlooks the USS Arizona, and this is actually one of the original turrets that still is showing up above the water level. But, yeah, we salute all those who were on board the USS Arizona and those that never were able to get it off. And we show you what's happening here. This is what's happening tonight. Jennifer Teeter got this picture. Beautiful sunset heading towards Red Lodge Mountain. You can see the sun setting behind the Beartooths there. Meanwhile, look at this. Here's one from Lynn Richardson showing the beautiful sunset we had tonight over there by Wyoming, just west of Powell. You can see Hart Mountain out in the distance there. But here's the way things are shaping up, Billings, right now. Currently, we do have basically not a bad night for us. We are at 43 degrees, still a little on the cloudy side. Our winds out of the southwest to 22, and that gives us a wind chill factor that feels like 34 degrees out there. Now, our high temp today topped out at 59, almost close to the record. The record was 60 degrees set back in 1939. The record low was minus 21 set back in 2013, and sunset this afternoon. Boy, that was early, 4:30, but that's the earliest it ever sets, and then we start going upwards from there. In the meantime, no new precipitation to talk about for the month of December. You notice here where we are for the year 1281, need to be at 1328 to be caught up to average, so we've slipped a little bit behind, about a quarter inch or so, and so we'll wind up, we need a little more precipitation. One good snowstorm and we'd be caught up, but we don't see too much of that coming our way. In the meantime, our current temps into the 20s and 30s out in the far west, into the 40s and 50s, 52 right now over Great Falls, back here in the east, 30s and 40s. Now, look at our reported highs for the day. It was 67 degrees at Sheridan, 60 over Jordan. Look at the 30s and 40s and 50s all across the state. Very warm day. Billings, we topped out at 59. Not bad, huh? Meanwhile, as we move on, look at this. We still got air stagnation problems. Advisory over there around Kalispell, and also the most of the valleys over there by Missoula. Air stagnation advisory there also until 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, we still have a high wind warning for the front range of the Rockies. That starts goes until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Looking for 65 to 75 mile per hour winds there. And one other thing, we have a wind advisory for the Beartooth foothills. Starts at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning and goes to about 9 p.m. Looking for 50 to 60 mile per hour winds there as well. And because of that, we could see some wildland grass fires across much of south central Montana because of all the winds. It's been so dry lately. If a fire gets going, it will burn out of control in a hurry. Now, right now, we do see a little moisture making its way up towards the Havre area, but that's all part of the next system that's starting to gather up here across the southern part of Canada. Your other system is out there towards the far west. Let's look at it at the surface. Got a cold front and a low pressure cell there. That starts moving onshore and produces more snow showers up in Canada. That snow starts making its way to the northwest corner of the state by the time Tuesday evening gets here. A little cold front starts forming here by Wednesday. That starts dropping down, but most of the snow stays jammed up here. And then eventually by Thursday, this whole thing will start pushing its way into our area and bring us a chance for some snow showers. However, tonight we're going to cool back down to the 30s, some low 40s around the region with partly cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, we're going to warm up one more time, getting back into the 40s, the 50s, and look at this, maybe even some more 60s across the region. Forsyth about 64 degrees, Miles City about 61, same thing at Glendive. But for Billings tonight, we're going to cool back down to around maybe 35 degrees with partly cloudy skies, still a little on the breezy side. Next 7 days, it will look like this. It will be 59 degrees on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. It'll be 52 on Wednesday with sunshine again, but a chance for snow showers on Thursday morning, 40 degrees for the high, 36 on Friday, 35 Saturday, 40 on Sunday, and 42 degrees on Monday. But on Monday, we have a 20% chance for a little rain and snow mixed. Let's go back to Andrea.